Slide hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn Unlocking Mystery. Revolutionizing educational content. StrinoSoft Video Factory transforms PDFs into engaging videos. It uses AI to add voiceovers, slides, and branding automatically. Ideal for colleges looking to enhance digital learning tools. Streamlines the creation of educational YouTube content. Key features of StrinoSoft Video Factory. Upload academic PDFs and convert them into HD videos. Choose from multiple AI voice options for narration. Automatically formatted slides with integrated college branding. Features include auto-publishing to YouTube and shorts creation. Use cases in educational institutes. Generate lecture videos directly from faculty notes. Create videos for NAC NBA documentation effortlessly. Support online course content and distance learning. Ideal for departmental academic content and marketing. Benefits for colleges and universities. Reduce video production costs by up to 70%. Automatically generate over 30 videos each month. Enhance digital presence and streamline content delivery. Save significant faculty time. Scalable across departments. Real-life applications. Example: a college uses StrinoSoft to convert lecture notes into a series for YouTube, boosting online engagement. Example: an engineering college automates course content videos, enhancing remote learning experiences. Pricing and accessibility starter plan for small colleges priced at INR 4,999 monthly. Growth plan for larger institutions at INR 9,999. University Pro for multi-campus universities at INR 24,999. Accessible pricing models to suit various educational needs. Why choose StrinoSoft? StrinoSoft empowers institutes to build a robust digital ecosystem. Improves student engagement through standardized video content. Supports a wide range of academic and marketing activities. A smart investment in the future of educational delivery. Slide. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video. Comment what topic you want next.